Using SiteGround for web hosting is a user-friendly experience, ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. Here's a concise guide to help you get started. Choose a hosting plan. Visit the SiteGround website and explore the various hosting options: shared, cloud, or WordPress hosting. Click on Get Started under your chosen plan. Register a domain. During the sign-up process, you can register a new domain or use an existing one. Follow the prompts to complete your domain registration. Create your account. Fill in your personal details and create an account. Review your order and select any additional features, such as daily backups or website security. Access the SiteGround dashboard. After completing your purchase, log into the SiteGround user area. This is where you can manage your hosting services. Set up your website. Use the site tools to install applications like WordPress. SiteGround offers a simple one-click installer for popular CMS platforms. Utilize support resources. If you have questions or need assistance, SiteGround provides 24/7 customer support via live chat, phone, and a comprehensive knowledge base.